Hello, I'm MacDonald, the CEO of ScotCHEM. So how do we create the environment that leads to game-changing technologies? One way I believe to do this is to work across technology boundaries and disciplines. And natural products is obviously a fertile area to do this in because of the wide impact natural products have on, for example, drug discovery, agrochemicals, net zero emissions. So just over a year ago, BIOIC, SALSA and ScotCHEM brought our communities together to try and create this type of synergy. The workshop was very successful, and out of that came the SNaPNet community.
So why do we need a new network? There are a great deal of fantastic scientists working in the natural products field in Scotland, and they work from across disciplines and across sectors. And we have a great opportunity to be able to join them up, to have them working collaboratively towards a common goal and the challenges that we face as a society. And here in Scotland, we have the infrastructure to be able to really facilitate and drive that collaboration with our research pools, our innovation centres and interface. We want to catalyse connections where they weren't there before. We want to support researchers and business where it's needed. We want to attract talent to Scotland, as well as drive inward investment in the area of natural products. And we want to make the most of the natural resources we have here in Scotland.
I think SNaPNet is important because of the importance of natural products to society in general. Discovery of new drugs, the possibility of deriving new enzymes from nature that can make industrial processes cleaner and greener is really critical. To form a critical mass of natural product scientists in Scotland would be essential for the future of Scottish biotech business, essentially, and also pharmaceutical industry that might form in Scotland. So really, we need to work together and also have common goals such as a directory of who does what, where and when in the natural products science world in Scotland, and also who has compounds, how they can be tested, by whom and where. And also politically, this is essential because there's so much to be derived from natural products discovery in Scotland.
So why do we need another network? Everyone's so busy. So why make this happen right at this time? Well, there are many established companies in the field of natural products, from Mara Seaweed to Coontech, from Cellucom to others in the field that are really making great strides. And we also know that we have a wealth of talented researchers who are really creating great new knowledge in the whole field, be it from chemical sciences, chemistry departments, material sciences. But perhaps it's great that this community can come together and really make a difference.
Natural products have long been a source of innovative medicines and other really important industrial compounds. However, what's really exciting about natural products research to me is that these compounds are, by their very definition, encoded in a sequence of DNA. And that DNA today is really readily readable, it's readily writable, and it can be readily assembled into a variety of microorganisms to enable the sustainable production of these compounds via fermentation using modern synthetic biology. I think this is especially important today as we try to move the chemical industry away from its reliance on fossil fuels to meet these really ambitious carbon emission targets that we have over the next 30 years.
The industry and all of us have been facing a wide number of challenges, from Brexit to COVID, and longer term to warming seas and climate change. And there are so many opportunities for us to make more breakthroughs, whether that's around new vaccines or whether it's about improving the efficiency of our production.
The transition to bio-based goods, services and energy through the growth of the bioeconomy is an important part of Scotland's commitment to reaching net zero by 2045. From a bioeconomy cluster builder perspective, it's hoped the establishment of the Scottish Natural Products Network will lead to innovation, collaboration and the development of new and existing value chains.
So I would join the network. It's an exciting time to be in natural products, the application of omics technology, the integration of different disciplines, and the sustainable application of natural products to many of society's challenges means that the network will be an exciting place to be. It also will allow a great training environment for early career researchers to develop these interdisciplinary skills that are required to tackle natural products challenges and solutions, and that's really quite exciting.
The network can strengthen our skills base, especially for our ECRs, giving them invaluable cross-sectional experience and access to academic and industry specialists that are happy to collaborate, share their expertise, and this is really essential for any ECR starting out in this stage of their career in the natural products field.
Scotland is well equipped with the resources, technology and expertise required to become lead innovators in the field of natural products research. And SNaPNet is just the start of this. So please join our community, tell us what you want to get out of it, and let's help bring some collaborations together.
So I think we've been gifted this amazing natural resource of molecules that has the potential to change our lives for the better in so many ways. However, we can't keep manufacturing these compounds from petrochemicals via processes that are so inherently damaging to the environment around us, because it's this environment that's going to be the source of natural products in the future. At the moment, we therefore run the risk that this natural asset will soon become a fundamentally unsustainable resource, and research to change that needs to happen now.
So what do I hope will come out of the SNaPNet network? An identification of the opportunities and the challenges facing the natural product environment, new partnerships, ideally across different departments and across different disciplines, leading to funded programs, and ultimately innovation which will lead to new economic opportunities.
So through this network, it's my hope that new collaborations can be established, that the community comes together to listen and hear from one another. The researchers perhaps can listen to the pain points from the companies, what's really challenging at them at the moment, and the companies can be inspired by the new research that's happening, be it really blue sky development that's enhancing extraction processes, formulating new compounds, or really striving ahead with new ways around production. There's great things that can happen when great minds come together.